For more of our educational video tutorials, do subscribe to our CEC Educational Videos channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notification. Hello everyone, I'm Shovarna Dutta, Senior Software Faculty of CEC Head Office. Today I will be again continuing with your HTML programming topic. So let's begin without any further delay then. So today we'll be continuing with your image tag. Okay, what it does, it defines an image in an HTML page. It has two attributes. Actually, we'll be using many more attributes in your image tag. Okay, so SRC or ALT tag attribute কি করে SRC কি করে এটা HTML পেজত বেলেগ তোমাৰ ইমেজৰ লগত লিংক কৰে, alright, and alt কি হয়, it specifies an alternate text for image. Okay, SRC তোমাৰ necessary হয়, otherwise how can you insert an image? So HTML এটা ফাইল নহয়, okay, যেনেকৈ আমি ফোল্ডাৰ বা ফাইলত কি ফোল্ডাৰত কি কৰো, আমি কি কৰো ফাইলস ইনসার্ট কৰো, right, and other resources, image, music. HTML এনেকুৱা নহয়, এনিথিং তোমাক যদি পুট কৰিব লাগে HTML পেজৰ লগত তোমাক লিংক কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, it creates a holding space for the referenced image. Anything, my image, audio file, you have to link it with your resources. তোমাক লিংক কৰিব লাগিব with the help of your different tags, যেটো কাৰণে যেটো দৰকাৰ হয় এখিনি ইউজ কৰিব লাগিব. So alt কলৱে text insert কৰিব পাৰা, height width নামতে গম পাই আছা, তুমি image with height set কৰিব পাৰা. It's a standard syntax of your image tag. Okay, and SRC, it specifies the URL of an image. So first code খিনি আমি চাও এবাৰ কি হয়. So it has your standard tags, HTML tag, body tags. Okay, এখিনি আমি একদম starting ওতে discuss কৰিছিলো. So I have also inserted h1 tags. Okay, this one, this is the output of your this code. Okay, then hr is your horizontal row, this is your horizontal row, and I have inserted two images. Okay, first image, this one, it center tags or মাজত enclose ko nest কৰিছে কাৰণে এটো দুটা image কি হৈছে center-ত আহি আছে. So দুটা image center-ত আহি আছে. Otherwise by default all your any paragraphs, any file that you link, they are all aligned to your left by default. So image or karone tags or karone amra ki dibo lagibo SRC, your source attribute, then alt just a text for your reference, je ki bujhai ase text kini to tomar reference or karone. Then with height তোমার requirements মতে এটো vary কৰিব পাৰা, 300 এর জায়গা তুমি 400 দিও পাৰা, 450 দিও পাৰা, it is up to you. And one more thing you should notice here is image tag or end tags নাই. Okay, এটো image tag যেনেকা center-ত আমি ending center tag এটা use, closing center tag use কৰিছো, এনেকা তুমি image-ত নাই, just one slash and angle braces. Okay, see. And two more thing you should I like to mention here is the location. Kenukake mention koribo lage. There are two ways. Sa yate just file name khini disu, yate entire location khini dibo lagise. Any image tumi jodi jot HTML file khini save korisa jitu folder eto bahirot jodi folder khini bahiro folder tomar image khini ase, then you have to mention your entire location. And if same folder bhitorot, see this same folder bhitorote jo tumi HTML file khini save korisa tate tomar jodi image tag khini ase, then you do not have to mention your entire file location. So clearly sabo pari asa yate entire location mention koribo lagibo only in case if your say yate moi HTML file khini save koriso, image khini beleg eta folder ot ase বা বেলেগ ড্ৰাইভত আছে, তাৰ পৰা মই যদি লিংক কৰিব বিচাৰো, then you have to mention your entire file location, then lastত file name dot file extension khini, image extension khini. Okay, So location kini kenuka ulai file kini single click select koriba, right click, properties, location to gote kini copy kori yate tumak paste koriba lagibo slash file name dot file extension. Okay, like here etu case nalage because file logote tumar image kini ase. Okay, done. তোমালোকে pause কৰি code খিনি copy কৰি লব পাৰা এটা copyত, otherwise লগালগ তুমি নিজৰ desktopত practice কৰিব পাৰা. Okay, I'm using notepad plus text editor. Okay, you can use any of your any text editor of your liking. Okay, notepad plus is free, it's also very good. Okay, next code we will be looking at is picture as a hyperlink. Same header tags and your horizontal row আমি insert কৰিছো. Okay, then we have nested your image tag within your anchor tags. আমি text hyperlink previous classes of কৰিছিলো, আমি image hyperlink কৰিম এতিয়া. Okay, চাইছা এই tags ৰ মাজত আমি image tag খিনি insert কৰিছো, and এই tag খিনি আকু center tags এখিনি আমি কৰিব পাৰো. Okay, nothing wrong with it, it's all legal. Okay, hyperlink কাৰ লগত কৈছো এটা image খিনি ক'ত যাব after clicking এটো hyperlinkৰ href attribute তোমাক mention কৰিব লাগিব. Okay, any তোমাৰ websiteত link কৰিব পাৰা or other image or logot link koribo para, or any files or logot link koribo para, anything you wish. Okay, see ete click korile my image ot click korim, it will take me to a website. Okay, so moi to ketia change kori to Google jodi kori dio. Save koro. Okay, save korile again ever refresh koribo lagibo, anything you change you have to refresh it. Okay, see main Google page or logot muk direct kori ase. Cool. Okay, so next code we'll be looking at is inserting image in a background. Okay, as well as nesting your image within a marquee tags. Marquee বিষয়ে আমি previous classes or discuss কৰিছিলো, direction কি হয়, behavior attribute খিনি কি হয়, scroll এখিনি সব চাইছিলো. যদি এটো first time এটো video চাই আছা, then I would like you to go through the previous videos of your HTML. Okay, so background দিব কাৰণে তোমাৰ background attribute খিনি দিব লাগিব, then your file location, image location key দিব লাগিব, entire location with your file name. Okay, see this one, then baki sab standard procedure hai. So similar. Okay, তোমালোকে pause কৰি code খিনি লিখি লব পাৰা, or you can practice it as we proceed with your video. Okay, any way you like. So ekhini hol outcome of this, output of that code. Okay, header tags, horizontal row, background or image, and image as a marquee. Okay, all right then. So aji ki ami output salu, just image insertion kini salu, file image or location kini kenuka differ kore ekhini bikoye ami salu, different kenuka hoy. Then picture as a hyperlink, image kini click koriyo tumi image ko eta hyperlink object element boli banabo para. Okay, and last key background or image insertion and image as a marquee, image of marquee kori rakhibo paro. Okay, so I would like you to go through these questions and solve it. Also like you to post it in the comment section. Okay, these questions have been compiled from your previous videos. So যেতিয়ালৈকে আমাৰ classes normally proceed নহয়, continue নহয়, normal classes, তেতিয়ালৈকে আমি আমাৰ rest of the faculty members, myself included, will keep on bringing your video classes through online medium. Okay, so we only expect you to practice. Okay, go through these topics and keep practicing. Don't waste your time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Until next time, thank you.